At Cinemascape, we do more than install LED walls. We create show-stopping digital experiences. We specialize in large-scale LED video wall installations, bringing projects of every size to life, from initial planning and custom drawings to final integration. Every step is designed to be seamless, efficient, and tailored to your space. What sets us apart? Expertise and precision. Our experienced installation team treats every detail with care, ensuring not only a flawless fit, but also long-term reliability. Our technology is built to perform. We use single cabinet designs with all-in-one receiving cards paired with premium-grade LED modules for durability and easy front access maintenance. Behind the scenes, our NovaStar LED controllers deliver unmatched customization, supporting a wide range of input types for any installation. The result? A stunning, high-brightness, high-resolution LED video wall that grabs attention and elevates your message. When your project is complete, you'll have more than a display. You'll have a digital billboard that captivates your audience and communicates your brand with impact. Cinemascape. Large-scale LED video walls, expertly delivered.